Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to cover class 10th topic quadratic equations word sums. Okay, in this video we are going to cover quadratic equations word sums guys. So the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 25 centimeters. We know that the difference in length of other two sides is 5 centimeters sorry. We would like to find out the length of two sides. They're asking to find the length of other two sides, whereas hypotenuse is given in the question. Okay, draw a rough triangle, right angle triangle, mention all the points, what is hypotenuse, what is opposite, what is adjacent side, and mention what is given in the question guys. Given that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and hypotenuse is given as 25 centimeters, and we need to find the length of other two sides. Okay, so let x be the length of one side and what be the other side. Other side is given as 5 centimeters. Other side is 5 centimeters more than the other side. That is one side. Okay, we can take it as x plus 5 guys. Okay, now given that the difference between two lengths is 5 centimeters guys. Okay, if you take x plus 5 minus x, we get 5 only. So for your understanding I wrote this step. Okay, this is given in the question itself. Now simplify. Using hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Okay, simplify the terms. Hypotenuse square is 25 square. Opposite take one side we took as x, so that it becomes x square, and the other is x plus 5 whole square guys. Simplify. We get a quadratic equation x square plus 5x minus 300 equals 0. So taking the factors here. So we got factors x plus 20 and x minus 15 equals 0 guys. Equal to 0, we get x equal to minus 20 and x equal to 15. So what is it x means? X is one side of other than hypotenuse, that is opposite or adjacent side. Okay, that is 15 guys. So what is the other side? Other side is exceeding by 5 centimeters, right? So add 5 more that. So 15 plus 5, 20. Therefore other sides are 15, 20. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.